We know the kind of people you are.
Is it like you on the attack now?
No. One will see through the talk. Someone like Luchi go see that.
This is the person you give your heart to.
Person like Luchi go see that.
It's because you are still reigning.
Good morning, Nigerians. Good morning, our viewers. So, from your church mind, let me say, somebody like Luchi go see that money, you go return them. If you know the kind of person.
You see what they make you do? That is where they tell you because you are reigning. That is why it thinks you are good and nice. A couple of months ago,
who invited you for this
was good and nice.
No. Who invited you for this matter
now that we have a good relationship, he wants to spoil it.
I not talk to you.
He wants to spoil it. Accusing our Oko wife say he go see money. Are you invariably calling her a thief?
I don't talk so.
Are you saying she has no self-worth?
Honorable, if I do my duty, I want to know they go talk say na disrespect.
No worry.
They go say na disrespect, honorable. No say you know how to do am.
Begin to do am.
Now you don't shine eye for me.
Now today begin to do am.
You they say that in the
It's not time for people like us to speak out, men to voice out, because all this while now women they cry.
Why you see man when they do like woman for market?
They treat me badly.
Honorable, you see yourself.
See woman when they do like market woman.
Honorable.
Cha.
For this money, I tell you, because now when they do single treasury accounts, you see for this house, all of us as wife will not forget joint accounts. We not fit they put all our money for one account. As government don't come to us, you see the government don't they want exempt security agency.
Who is the man of the house?
Who is the who be the man? You see that because you wake up?
Don't mind.
You see my wake up?
Wait.
You see my you want to check this car?
Wait. Respect yourself. I respect the man of the house. Respect the man of the house.
Do you respect yourself?
Get joint account.
Do you respect yourself?
So they enter back, they withdraw money out.
So that go now they take spend money on Princess
It
Ruby.
concern you.
Because this is your last born princess when you get here, that cheating. For all the 4 wives. Now only she go to collect times 4 for waiting. Now for her she gets.
They work the money.
Now for her she gets.
Who you help? Who you help? Please leave our house to go.
No, I'm serious. No. Stop.
You won't collect that now.
Who you help? Come on for house, make we go
Because
spot.
don't say these people are troublemaker, neither be. If they come inside, they attack Luchi.
Who you help?
Okay, for your sake.
If I lift you up now, the one thing I'm going to lift you down, you go to float.
Hey. In fact, I get some things we will not suppose. I mean, it is surprising say he just waka like that. I mean, the death they shocking.
People they thought now because he they fear say they go extra that time.
If it be the thing we go cause you had to stop now because of internal fear.
That kind of thing now. We never can tell.
And he don't already get a lot of complicated health issues. So the thing just worrying, but they say, well, Ben, I'll just work all this problem.
I beg, I don't want me to get complicated issues.
So, can I ask you again? What did they happen with Tinubu?
I'm not there, yo. Please, carry your princess, go.
Just try, Amo. One yourself.
Why you come outside the talk, say the Senate president, say he just be APC for paper and PDP for heart?
Everybody is entitled to his own talk. Anybody can afford to talk anything we want to talk.
See my hand, though.
We get freedom of speech. So if not to make country go forward, make at least if they will feel now they make them talk now their own talk, not their talk.
So make them talk about it.
But make it not affect national growth and what they do for the people. It's as simple as that.
Oh yeah, maybe we talk about ministerialists. No say they like to do one.
Now tomorrow then we'll start.
Now tomorrow, you sure say they go do one tomorrow?
Hey, when Nigeria don't that allow.
Wait, the way they talk.
Honorable, you know say some people don't come outside say they're very disappointed because first of all, Oga Buhari talk say Ingo appointing ministers all of before September 30. And not be say Ingo bring out list though. He say appoint ministers. Right now, they still on this level.
They say declare asset before we screen you. So how they go to start tomorrow when asset cannot be declared?
But then let us also look at it this way. If all these new processes when they just they bring in will help at least make the country better, she need to say good.
Honorable, who will help? Who will help first of all? Who will help?
We start slow, make eventually make you say yes, you go better. We can't they rush into things, can't they rush on that same level with the Russian.
No, be taxpayer money with the taste slow. You go talk say too slow and steady, but the country they fall apart at the seams. We dey focus on the people. Why the country, the governance where we need. Look at our state, everything comatose. Business, no move forward. We dey focus on your committee. You want to tell me that there is good? Wait, make I make my point. Make I make my point.
And don't raise your hand. Make your point. Don't do that.
Why they do work for person this early morning now?
Make your point.
I beg you. You want to tell me that there is a new scientific discovery they want to discover that they don't know already?
Bam.
What are you telling me? That they are just going to notice that, wow, this person is corrupt.
Wow.
You want to tell
Just
me there's
like
no
that.
evidence already on ground?
Have you considered asking yourself as well? Say, this man will know, say, yes, he is 72. And if he say, yes, he will fit deliver. And we can eventually vote him in. And all in the sake of say, okay, we want result, no matter how long it might take. Okay, fine. Okay, nobody elect this person. And we can just say, okay, a few changes don't come into place. I mean, even if, just as we talk, slow and steady wins the race. If you take them partially, and moreover, this state you're even mentioning, how does the federal this thing take effect states?
Oh, really?
No.
You see, when I talk, say, when person head hit ground, he don't go
Not
no.
completely, but at least if he
Are you telling me that
the body go suffer now.
What other
the head, not the control
At this point, honorable, at this point, we need to buy small break. At this point, we can see that
no be the head, they control the
we can finish
entire
another time now.
No.
We are going on the
Is
break.
the federal not a mirror of all the states?
It is a mirror.
If there is chaos here,
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.